Hey guys, wanted to get this video out because I don't know if all of you don't necessarily follow me on Twitter nor have time to get on live stream, but I think we're going lower. I think the rally is done. I'm going to show you why. Right now, what you're looking at on your screen is a SPY right here. The blue line was the channel bottom. Okay, this red dash line was the low from a couple days ago on the 20th. Okay, so we passed that. We're not even trying to come back to claim the channel bottom. Okay, and let's go jump over to the next slide. Here's the 4-hour chart. Um, so yeah, this junction point I talked about last night, it proved too much. And I was having a discussion with a fellow subscriber. I think that the futures market knew that this number was going to be hot, and so it came in. Tried to claim that all of last night, but no follow through, and it dumped. Okay, now here on the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour is already crossing. Zoom on in here. Well, I think you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. It's already crossing the signal line. That's not good. That's not good. When you see that happen, you don't readily just see it rebound like that. Okay, so that's not good. So I'm not waiting for it to get to the 4-hour negative 35 mark to call it bearish, because it never got to it never got past the zero line. It kissed it and then it came down. Okay, so that marks a lower high than this one right there. Okay, so that's the 4-hour. On the 5-minute, the damage that has been done on the 5-minute is significant. It got all the way down to like the negative 13 level, and I'm calling it bearish as of the negative 8 level. If you start going below the negative 8, it means you're going lower. You're going to have follow through the next day and the next day. Okay, and look at the RSI, just fell off a cliff. Okay, so now the negative 8 line in this case today is now serving as resistance. See, it tried to come up back to the negative 8, and now it's turning back down. That's why the fall right now is not seeming to stop. You guys have been watching SPY all day, right? Okay, let's look at the next slide. This is the same 5-minute that you just saw, because I want to compare it to last week. Yeah, last week. This is Friday the 16th. Oh, no, that was over a week ago. You see this downfall? That's when the levels go below the negative 8. See that? Goes below negative 8. Goes below negative 8. Goes below negative 8. And that's what we have today. Significantly below. Okay? So you can expect it to maybe bottom, maybe try to bottom Monday or Tuesday of next week. We're going to have a follow through down day tomorrow. I don't think the core PCE number is going to matter. The damage that I see here on the MACD is too much. So I'd be shocked. I mean, I'd just go ahead and start. If you have some calls, I'd start getting some puts in. Just cover your calls. I'd be shocked if the PCE number. I mean, the damage done today could very well be because they also know what tomorrow's PCE is going to be too. Right? But that's what I see. This is extremely weak now. That is why you see it keep falling. The markets keep falling and they won't stop. Let's see if I can pull it up there. Real time. Yeah, see? Down, 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 down. SMA 20 line, this 5-minute chart, it's resistance all day. It's resistance all day. See that? The MACD 5-minute? No. You've taken a big hit. You're not really even trying. So we have more follow through down days. Friday, Monday, maybe even Tuesday. Okay? So I think that's it. This was the limit that I talked about last night. That critical juncture. I think that's the limit. And now we're taking a big hit, even on the 1-hour charts. So let me see if I can have that pulled up. That's the 4-hour. Let's have a look at the 1-hour. Yeah, 1-hour. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here, let me pull it over. Hold on a second. it looks pretty bad. The 1 hour. Here it is. SPY futures down below negative 20. It's below negative 20 and it's separated. That's bearish. Okay. Look at the RSI. Just flat line. No power. Okay. So that is what I want to recommend. Go ahead and get your puts in. I don't think we'll have to see. I'd get your puts in and I'd just write it out. Write it out into Monday also. So, because you never know. There might be a capitulation moment somewhere in that time frame, right? You don't know because we are now firmly out of the channel. Here's the bottom of the channel. Firmly out of the channel. Right? And we're below the negative 20 line on the 1 hour. So that's all I've got to say for you guys. So I hope this video finds you well. Thank you. Talk to you later.